is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the EGA channel, where we plan to trade and trade the plan. We do the market breakdown for you so you don't have to do it yourself. Very quickly, right before you continue watching this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up and the like button if you can, and leave us a subscribe if you enjoy watching these videos. We do these videos for you guys so you don't have to do it yourself and break down the markets. Also, we've been hearing a lot from you, so continue to drop the comment in the videos and ask me if you want me to break down a certain ticker. We'll do it for you. So let's break down the market today, downtown without a frown, and peel this onion. On your daily weekly brief for this week, we're continuing to see that the markets are looking like they're consolidating, and even though this has been a great momentum indicator that bulls are accumulating ground and setting up for a big spike, this may come with some caution. So I'm going to put out what we think is the appropriate level of risk management and tell you guys all angles of what to expect in these next week and beyond. So let's get to the charts. As you can see, last week we had a pretty nice performance by technology. Mainly healthcare was the laggard. Even financials were performing much better than expected, as well as real estate, which are natural hedges against inflation. So are commodities such as gold, which we've been watching, and we alerted you guys a couple of weeks back. Gold is now sitting at a pre-market high of 179, which has been looking nice. We are looking for a ultimate push up all the way to the 190s in the next couple of months. However, we don't think that this will happen without a short pullback. Therefore, we think that in the short run, we will be expecting a little bit of a pullback on commodities before the next run up. So if you haven't got in now, make sure that you don't chase this wave up. Wait for the pullback, wait for your entries, and then enter the market. That's a quick little update on gold. Looking at the QQQ and SPY, we have been accumulating at the bullish pivot confirmation level supply zone, which was right here, and we've been talking about this level for about the whole of last week. We've been consolidating all of this level, and we do see that this level is a key level for us to break through. Above 337, we'll be turning bullish. We did put out a private video this morning for our Discord members, where we alerted them of what are the playbook recommendations for this week. We just put out the premium weekly brief for our Discord members so that they can have a great insight on what we're expecting for this week. We do expect some kind of a market movement to the downside first before moving to the upside, and so that is now available for premium members, which are the Lions and Wolves on our Discord, to view and so on and so forth. If you're interested in becoming a premium member, make sure you click the link in the description below and check us out. We provide weekly updates, analysis, and breakdowns for you guys, as well as trade ideas so that you can succeed in these markets with us in real time, as well as live trading sessions every single day where you can get to ask me questions live and trade with me. So with QQQ here, we have mainly 337 is a bullish confirmation. As I said, we need to break above this level or find support at this level in order to continue to the upside. If we don't see that just this week, we might see a continued broader market that will kind of move to the downside first before capturing more liquidity to the upside. And that is something that we're looking at for this week on QQQ. Below the 326, 325 level will be a bearish reversal, and this trend will be invalidated. With SPY, we have almost a different scenario, but we are in the key pivot, which we are supposed to hold. We did mention this last week. We've been looking at this level here as the key level, if you go watch last week's videos. And we are looking at this 412 as the key level of support. If there is a break below 412, we will see that this will become a bearish consolidation and a reversal to the downside. But if we're able to hold this general level here, the 420 to 418, we should see continued bullish action on SPY as bulls continue to push the price up. However, as I mentioned, I don't think that this will happen right away. You have to be extremely cautious. Don't be greedy. That is the theme of this video. Bulls win, bears win, but hogs get slaughtered. So even though we know that we're in a bullish trend, remember that things don't go up in a straight line. Remember that things always move in a wave pattern. And so if we get a wave up, there is more than likely going to be a wave down before the next wave up. And so make sure that you are understanding this as we move into this market, okay? So I'm just going to point that out there, and you may do whatever you wish with that information. Other things that I want to point out are the tickers that we posted on Instagram for you guys. One of them is XLE, which we are looking as a bullish scenario, as we are iterate a overweight or a bullish rating on energy into the summer, with pent-up demand taking up majority of this economic space, as well as reopening stocks becoming popular. So short-term dual zone at the 40.53 level. 55 will be the first target, second target, and then the third target up here. Not sure we can get all three targets, but we'll see where we go with XLE. Please read up on the post that we made. We put all of the levels in there and explanation as well. Next up, we have Jets. This is a bullish consolidation trade as well. Nice breakout of a bullish pennant, which was a almost nice consolidation at this $26.50 to $27 level. We're looking at a slight pullback at the $26.50 before taking this to the upside, up into the $28, $29 range, where we'll see ultimate target and take profit right there. Tesla, with a nice falling wedge pattern on the daily. We can see that we called out the perfect downside on Tesla, and then now we're looking to play this to the upside. We think that this wave will have to have a pullback, which will line up with our market perspective, and then ultimately a 50 Fibonacci retracement up to the 660s and an extension up into the 690s with quite a bit of bullish, unusual options activity. So keep that in mind as you go into this market this week. Other things that I want to point out are going to be financials, which have been on a strong rally. This is now attempting to break out of all-time highs at the 38.50 level, and above 38.50 with consolidation will remain bullish for financials as we continue to price in inflation fears and Fed rate hike increase. That's something else that we're looking at. Just a couple of updates with Boeing. Boeing is now at 248. We called this one out perfectly. Very nice bullish wedge breakout. BABA also continuing to break out here. BABA up 4.74% today pre-market, looking extremely bullish here. And so we'll be playing this. I mean, we have already been playing this for a while. We've been setting up for this spike. I've been telling you guys about BABA for a long time, and now it's finally exhibiting some bullish price action. TSM up at 119 today pre-market. We called this one out perfectly last week, and it is now up bullishly. A lot of Chinese stocks are up today. We have mainly a lot of the Chinese equities that are trading much higher today, which we have been calling out on this stream on this YouTube channel for a long time, and I hope that some of you got into the plays that we've been talking about. If you did and you made some money, please drop a comment. We want to hear from you. We love to hear your feedback, and especially if you made money through us, we want to know. We love that. Okay, so let us know. The VIX is also sitting at a key support level, so make sure that you keep an eye on this one. Might make a move to the upside before coming back down. Remember that we don't see waves just go like this. We want to see pullbacks and then continue to sell off on the wicks. So that's another thing that we are keeping track of. Today, KWeb is going to be slightly higher at $72, 73 almost. Chinese tech ETF here. We've been talking about this one for a while. It was down 37%, now starting to make a move up. Of course, I don't think you're late to the entry. This still has considerable upside. This could, rally up to the $100 levels in the months to come. So not late to the party with KWeb yet. Telling you guys, this is still another opportunity to get into Chinese equities. Pretty cheap. Even Asher is sitting at a pretty decent price of $42. We called this one out perfectly as well. So keep your eyes on those little things that we are pointing out to you guys. So just to recap everything and conclude this session until the next one, which will be after the market close tomorrow. Remember that SPY and QQQ are still not fully bullish yet. We could get rug pulls, we could get liquidity grabs, and we could get many other things that will cause this market to have a temporary downturn because market makers and institutions are greedy. They will not want to buy things up so expensive. Therefore, keep your mind open, keep your eyes peeled open, and make sure that you don't chase this rally to the upside. Make sure that you wait for pullbacks, waves down, and then you enter on your bullish positions. Never enter on a wave up, always enter on a wave down. Remember that bulls and bears both win, but greedy hogs always get slaughtered. I'll see you till the next video right after the market closes for the next update. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you smash the like button and click the subscribe if you enjoyed it. Take care and peace.